Hey, what's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can clipping mask with object menu. So here we have this clipping mask. So what is actually clipping mask? So let me draw this rectangle shape here, and also I'm going to make this ellipse shape. By holding Alt and Shift, I'm going to scale this and put it right here. Change the color. So now if I want to clipping mask, so I need to select everything. So I'm going to drag my selection all over the shapes which is in the artboard, and here I'm going to right click. We have this make clipping mask right here, and also you can find the clipping mask under object menu. So here we have this make. So the shortcut for making clipping mask is Ctrl+7. If you click right here, so the rectangle shape is now inside this one, but we can see that. But if you are going to click on the layer panel, you can find that here we have this rectangle shape, and also we have the ellipse shape. So this is not the correct way to clipping mask. So if you go to the object menu here with clipping mask, you can find release, and also we have this edit contents. We are not going to click on edit contents for now. I'm going to click on release. The shortcut for release with your keyboard is Alt plus Ctrl+7. So I'm going to click right here. So now we have this shape which is empty, because we used to clipping mask inside this, so that's why you can't see any fill inside that. So I'm going to change the color, and I need to bring this forward. So I'm going to select that, right click. So I'm going to bring this forward. Now I'm going to hold Ctrl A on my keyboard, right click, click on make clipping mask. So now as you can see, now we have clipping mask, we have this rectangle shape. So under this we have this shape, but let me show you that how we can. I'm going to delete this, not delete, I'm going to Control X cut it. So here we are going to make more ellipse shape with different colors. Now if I want to put these two shapes inside this rectangle shape, so I'm going to draw, or we have already this rectangle shape, so I want to put the two ellipse shape inside that. So I'm going to put it on the top of the ellipse shapes, and I'm going to drag my selection all over the shapes in my artboard, right click and make clipping masks. So now as you can see, the two ellipse shape is now inside this rectangle shape. What if we want to clipping mask with a different shape? You can do that. So you can right click. So here we have this release clipping mask, or you can just go to the object menu. So here we have this release. But before I want to click on release, let me show you with edit contents. When you click on edit contents, now I can select, as you can see, I can select that, I can change the color, I can move it, and also here if you click on this, if you on the layer to expand, so you can select each of the ellipse or each of the shapes which is inside this rectangle shape, and you can just select that and edit, or you can change the color. So whatever you want to do with shape, so easily you can just go to this layer and select your shape, and you can edit that, you can change the color. It's so simple. So I'm going to delete everything here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make more ellipse shape by holding Alt, and I'm going to make some more copies. I'm going to change the color for some of the ellipse shapes right here. So now if I want to put this inside a different shape, let's go with the polygon tool. First you have to draw your polygon and you need to put it on the top of the other shapes. It doesn't matter which color you're going to go with, so here you need to put the shape on the top of the other shapes if you want the clipping mask inside that shape. So here I want to clipping mask all the ellipse inside this polygon shape. So I'm going to Control A to select everything, right click, and here click on make clipping mask. As you can see, all these shapes inside this polygon shape. So this is how you can use this clipping mask. But here let me show you the really important thing that is going to be used a lot to clipping mask is the image. So I'm going to Control C this and Control A to select everything, delete on my keyboard. So I'm going to make this around it, and I want to put this image inside this shape. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to Control V to paste this, and I need to send this to back. If you want to put this inside this shape, so you have to send this to back of the shape. So now you have to select everything, right click and click on make clipping mask. So now this image is inside this shape. And also let me show you one more thing with clipping mask that you can do is that if there is a lot of shape, like if I'm going to hold Alt, so I'm going to hold Alt so I can make some more copies right here. So now here, first we have to see the artboard size. To see that, we need to click right here on click artboard. So we have this 1500 by 3000. I think it's not the correct side. Let me see this. Is the width, so I need to copy this, Control V, and we have this 3000. Okay, so now I'm going to get my selection tool, and here you need to align this. So here you have to Control A to select everything, right click, and here we have to click on make clipping mask, or you can just go to the object menu with clipping mask, click on make. So as you can see, the shapes that was out of the artboard area now it's inside this shape. So this is how we can use the clipping mask inside Adobe Illustrator for different purpose. Here you can use this. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use this clipping mask with Adobe Illustrator. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.